Cecilia, and this is Max. Welcome to Cecilia and Max's Lego Reviews. Today is going to be another episode of Legos for Kids. Today we're going to review Poppy's Pod, number 41251. It's the series Lego Trolls. It has 103 pieces and it's 4+. So we chose this because, well, we've never done trolls before, and this has like a lot to play with and it looks really cool. And this is the box, and we're going to open it up and build it. Remember to give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us, and watch until the end to see our positives and negatives about Poppy's Pod. Oh yeah, it's one of those easy ones compared to the ones that you have to poke it. Or maybe not, I don't know.
I need to do that. Oh, I ripped it.
Well, I was hoping for a clean opening, but that never comes true, so.
Sorry, do that.
I did. Okay. So here we have two instructions, actually. Wait, one drop. So we have two instructions here. And then we have this piece, which has these things. And then we have this piece. We have bag 1. Oh, it keeps dropping. And then we have this other piece. And then we have bag 2. So this looks like a pretty exciting set. So let's open these pieces up.
That's why they're so
pieces here.
Sasa, that's why I need both these things.
Yes.
That's why
And then let's open this.
What does this one hurt?
Whoa, I think something dropped out of there. Okay.
Okay.
There are a lot of mini bags too. So let's open those up.
This one.
And then we have another mini
Like
bag.
number 1.
Yes. So I think no, this is number 1 because it says it's number 1 instructions.
Let's do number 2 sample. Let's do number 2.
Okay, we have another mini
Let's
bag.
do number 2 and then number 1.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Then let's open these up. I think you need scissors for this bag. So we'll open that one later. Open that. So now we're going to finished figure. So up close, here we have, I think this is a singing flower. And in the back we have this stick. And it looks like, and this is made out of another material. And we have this face. And then we have this, which has like this creature on top with what looks like a clock thing. And then it has this branch that has crystals on it and flowers. And in the back, we also have a treasure chest that inside has a map. And that's good. And then we have Poppy with a cupcake on top and her banjo. And then we have 2 other cupcakes.
I need a fork.
And then
And
then there's a little book that Max has, and here we have like, it has this note here and then this little decoration, and it has the lollipop and a hairbrush, and then you can open it and close it, and then there's the bed that you can like fold, and we have the sink and drawer. So now Max is going to play, and I'm going to give you the positives and negatives of Poppy's for the positives, Poppy and a lot of accessories comes with the set, and Poppy's pod opens and closes, which I think is pretty cool, and there is plenty to play with, so that should keep you busy. So for the negatives, Poppy's structure is different than other figures in other sets, and you can't sit with her. And the only figures are Poppy, the little clock thingy, and the singing flower. And the outside of Poppy's pod isn't decorated. But the real question is, would I buy it again? Yes, I would, because the negatives are small, but the positives are really big, and it is super fun to play with. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us, and watch our video next week.